Hi, welcome to my video on piecewise defined functions. And in this one, I'm going to do an extra problem. And I just said this is extra problem number 1. Graph. So we're going to graph this piecewise function, f of theta. Notice the theta, instead of x's as numbers, I have theta in terms of pi. And pi is pi over 2 is 90, and so this is sine and cos, so it's in terms of trig. So to do that, let's draw a unit circle that does this, and on this circle the radius is 1, so this is the center, 0, 0, so the radius is 1, so this is 1, 0. This is x is 0, y is 1, and right here x is negative 1, y is 0, and right here x is 0, y is negative 1 as you rotate around the circle. And in terms of theta radians, again, that's a 90. Pi over 2 is 180 divided by 2 is 90. So this is 90 degrees. So this is 2 pi here, and 2 pi is 2 times 180, so that's 360. So if you take in the middle, so that's 2 pi, so this is pi, which is 180, and this is half of that, that's pi over 2, and this is in the middle here between these two, so that's 3 pi over 2. In other words, 3 times pi over 2 is 90, that's 270. So this is a negative pi over 2, and right here is a negative pi, and right here is a negative 3 pi over 2. So, again, keep track. This is 90, 180, 270, 360, but it's in terms of radians. So let's look at this circle. We want to graph sine, and y equals sine theta. Sine is the y on the coordinates. So if you have a ordered pair of x and y, so this is cos is the x is the cos of theta, sine theta is the y value as we rotate around the circle. So here we go. So we're going for theta less than or equal to pi over 2 less than or equal to 90. So at 90, sine is the y, sine is 1 at 90. So it's right here. It's equal to, so it's a solid dot. And sine is an S. How I remember sine? I think of sine begins with S, so it's a sideways S. So let's go to 90. Now we're going to 90, we're going to 0. 0 for sine is 0 right here. And we're going to negative 90 is down here. Sine is negative 1. Negative 90 is negative 1. And we're going to negative pi, so 0, negative 90, negative pi. Sine is 0 right there. And then we're going to 270 is a 1, so it's back up here. And then we're down to negative 360, so that's all the way around. We're back to 0. So this is the sine graph, so it's equal to the 90. So this dot, sine graph, goes like a sideways S. And so that'll represent the sine graph. Now, the cos graph is the x of the coordinates. So cos of theta is the x. So if you take a 90, and the 90 is here, we're starting at the 90. Cos is the x, we have a 0. But this is 0, this is hollow, because it's not equal to. And at 180, x is negative 1. Cos is negative 1. Right here. And at 270, we have a 0. 3 pi over 2 is 270. And we're back to 2 pi, which is 360. We're back to the 1, which is here. So we have, it starts here, and it goes down, up, up, and the next one would be going down here. So that just keeps on going and going and going. I just thought I might do a piecewise function in terms of the trig. And again, it's trig is done back in the trigonometry 1 and 2 and 3, just to make sure. But I thought it was a nice question. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like my video, click on the like button, subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.